If you're having a low quality video, don't worry, okay? If your phone don't have enough as a quality camera, don't worry. Are you afraid you don't know how to start because your phone is not of high quality, the camera is not good? You're afraid if you record the content, it's not gonna come out good. Don't worry, okay? Because I am here today to show you some editing trick that can help you to get your video of a good quality, okay? It's not that it's going to be perfect, but at least it's not gonna be the same way you recorded it, okay? This editing trick will help you after recording your video, whether you have good phone or not, whether you have good camera quality or not. Guys, this trick is going to help you, okay? Once you are using a smartphone, once you are using an Android phone, this trick is going to work for you, okay? So worry no more. Worry no more. Don't be afraid. That content started today, okay? That content I'll be planning on how to do it. You'll be struggling or saving money to go and get a new phone because it wants a good quality camera. Guys, you don't need to do that, okay? One step at a go, you're going to reach there. But before then, use this trick I'm going to show you, okay? To start creating your video and start to edit it, okay? If you're creative, you can also get it perfect using this trick, okay? Now, the app you're going to use to do this is called CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, you go to your Play Store and download it, okay? You can also use InShot to achieve this, but what I normally use is CapCut. So I'm going to use the one I am using to show you how this trick work, okay? Now, before we proceed, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, guys, I beg of you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it for others to learn, okay? Now, follow me to my screen recorder. Let me show you this trick that's going to help you get a quality video. Yes, so you don't need to wait for your phones, your new phone to arrive, or plan on how to save to get a good phone because of a good quality camera. No, guys, you can do this using any phone, okay? Once it's an Android, once it's a smartphone, okay? You can do this. Now, follow me to my screen recorder. Let me show you this trick, okay? Let's go. Okay, guys, we are going to use CapCut for this training, okay? Like I said, I'm going to show you how you can get a quality video for your content, okay? This is for those who always complain about their phone quality, those who have been hesitating to start that content, those who feel like their camera is not of a good quality, therefore they are not going to do any content, okay? I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut to edit your video, okay? Now, I will not promise you it's going to be like a movie standard, but you can get it right, a good quality that you can be proud of, okay? Now let's go to CapCut. If you don't have a CapCut, go to Play Store and download it, okay? When you tap on your CapCut, you wait for it to open, okay? Once it's open, you see this plus sign, you tap on it, it will open. It will take you directly to your gallery to pick a video you want to edit, okay? Now look at this video where I was wearing purple, okay? We are going to edit any of them, okay? Let's go to this one. Let's go to this one. You tap on it. When you tap on it, you tap on add to add it to the CapCut to start your editing, okay? Now this is CapCut, guys. You have added the video, okay? You tap on the video to highlight it. Once you tap on the video to highlight it, you come down here. If you want to increase the volume, you tap on volume to do what? Increase it, okay? Now, you want to edit your video to get a good quality. You can look for adjust, okay? You can look for adjust. This is adjust. You tap on it, okay? When you tap on it, it will bring you to an interface where you see so many options. This is color match. Look at this diamond icon there. It shows that it's a pro version, okay? There are other ones that are free version. You don't have to go for the pro version. The second one is color correction. It's also a pro version unless it's subscribed. That's when you'll be able to use all these ones that have a diamond icon on it. Now, the third one is what? Brightness. This one is contrast. This one is saturation. Okay? This one is brilliance. This one is sharpen. This one is clarity. Okay? Look at it. This one is highlights, shadow, white, black, many of them, okay? Now, we are going back. Since you did not subscribe or I did not subscribe, okay? All this pro version, though I subscribe, but I'm not going to use it, okay? I'm on pro version. Now, you come to bright. You tap on brightness. Brightness shows means if you want to make the video more brighter or not. Okay, now you use this arrow here, this dot here to get what you want. Do you see it, guy? As I'm dragging it left, the brightness is increasing. Now if I bring it back, the brightness will do was reduce. Okay, now let's go. I want brightness to increase. I want it to be more brighter. Now I'm done, guy. Once you are done, you click on another one. Okay, this one is contrast. Okay, you tap on it, you use this arrow here to know how it works. Okay, you can decide to drag it back. You can see as I'm dragging it back, it's reducing the brightness. Okay, now you have to take it by your left, drag it the other side. You can see it's giving it another brightness. Okay, so it's left for you to use it to know where you have to stop based on what you want, how you want your video to be. Okay, hope you saw this video when we input it, how it is. Okay, now why making use of all these features here, it will give you a brighter video. Okay, now let's drag this one. Okay, let's keep it here. Okay, let's keep it here. Right, now another one is saturation. It's up on saturation. We also use this with this arrow here and get what you want. As you can see, if I'm dragging it back, it's changing the effect to almost black and white. Okay, now this is not what I want. You go the other side and see if it will give you what you want. Now we are getting it. We are getting it there. Now you see it. You see it. As you're dragging it by your right, it's giving you another different effect altogether. If you come back, the effect is reducing. Okay, like I said, it's left for you to stop it where you want it to stop. Okay, as you are dragging it, searching for the face, searching for the better one to use, you keep watching your video to know when it will stop. Anywhere you drag it to and you feel satisfied that yes, I love this effect, it stop there. Okay, now let's get here. Let's stop here. Okay, the next one is brilliance. You tap on it, still use the same dots to get what you want. As you are dragging it right, it's giving you more clearer effects, which is not good. Okay, you go here, you see what it's giving you. It depends on what you want. Okay, to know where to stop it. Okay, now you see that dragging it by the right is not the best option. It's not the best features to use. Okay, now let's go. Let's stop it here. Okay, now let's stop it here. Okay, now another one is sharpen. Okay, this sharpen, you can drag it to 60. Okay, let's stop at 60. I always use 60. Okay, another one is clarity. Okay, it's up on it also. I drag this one up to 60 as well. 60. Then another one I can use, it can come here and explore other things. Okay, another one I use is highlights. Okay, this is another one I use, highlights. You come to highlights, either you highlight it or you reduce it. Depends on what you want, guys. Depends on what you want. You notice this video is not looking the exact way we brought it in. You notice it. So this is it, guys. Now you come to shadow. Okay, now this is work the same way. You drag it left and see what it gives you. If it's not give you what you want, you drag it to your right to see if it's gonna give you what you want. Okay, you see right is the one giving us the effects we want. Okay, because if you drag it left, it's becoming more darker, which that's not what you want. Okay, now let's go. I think it's okay here. Now this is white, black. If you want to the background to turn white. Okay, another features I use here is temperature. Yeah, now if you drag it back, you can see the temperature is changing. Okay, if you drag it here, it's changing. So it's left for you, like I said, to know where to drag it. Okay, to know where to paste it. Okay, now guys, look at this guy, look at this. Do you notice that this video is totally different from how we brought it from my gallery? Do you see it? Okay, now guys, another features I use. Okay, oh, let's go back to adjust. Another features I use here is filter. If you want to use filter, you tap on filter there, then you scroll down, you see many of them. All you have to do is click on anyone you want to see if you will like it. Okay, it comes to the first one, you tap on it. This is what is given the filter. You tap on the second one, it gives you another color altogether. You tap on this, the same thing. You keep choosing until you get the one you want. Okay, until you get the one you want. You keep choosing until you get the one you want. Okay, there are plenty of them, very beautiful effects. Okay, it's there for you to choose the one you want. I think I love this one. I love this one. Now you come here and click on video quality. Okay, the video quality, I like it, is okay. Okay, another place is you have been using adjust. Yes, so guys, this is it. Okay, now if you check that everything you did you don't like it, you can start afresh from brightness to get what you want. Okay, now I reduce the brightness. It's giving me exactly how I want it to be. Guys, look at this. Look at this. It's totally different from how we brought this thing in this CapCut. It's looking awesome. Okay, I have seen a lot of people complaining they don't know how to get a quality video, they don't know how to edit. It's true that CapCut charge for standard and pro version, but also we have so many free features that are free here that you can use. Okay, now another thing I want to tell you how to explore is if you want to reduce the noise that came with this video, that is the background noise. Okay, it came to enhance voice. Once you tap on enhance voice, because a lot of times if you are doing your video, noise from the background may be disturbing you and you have no other option but to do what? Record your video. So at the end of it, if you are editing it, just come here and enhance the voice. All you have to do is tap on this button by the side. Immediately you drag this thing to 100%, then it's minimizing. So if you have been hesitating to start your content, guys, this is an opportunity to start now. Okay, it's done. Okay, you click on this good sign. You click on this good sign. Okay, someone asked me, that was on my faceless channel, how do I put my watermarks? Okay, now I want to tell you how to put a watermark. Okay, when you come here, by the end here, it's up on it. Tap on it and make sure you see text. Okay, it's up on text. Okay, when you tap on text, you go to add text. Okay, let's say I want to write my channel name here just to trademark this video. Okay, I will say language shade. Okay, now you click good, you position it. Okay, when you click good, you come to styles. You start to choose the font you want. Okay, remember anyone that have diamond icon is a pro or standard version. Okay, let me go for this one. Okay, now you come to styles. You come to style. You can choose any styles. You can see them here. You can choose any style of your choice. Okay, because I want to trademark this video, so I don't need any styles. Okay, or anything. All I have to do is scroll up here. You see size and opacity. Okay, all you need to do, go to this opacity to drag it back. As you're dragging it back, you're watching your right up and it will be fading. Okay, it will be fading. It will be the effect will be reducing. Okay, you drag it to your satisfaction. You say, okay, I'm okay here. You tap on good. Okay, when you tap on good, you now come down here where your right up is to drag it right, so that it will be of the same minutes with your video. Okay, because if you don't do this, no matter how many seconds it is, once that second ends, it will automatically end. So you have to drag it to make sure it gets to the end, so that it becomes the same size and minutes with your video. Okay, now another one is come at the end here. You see this ending, this is CapCut watermarks. You need to delete it, guys. I think these features is free, both people who are standard or pro, anybody, you can remove it. Okay, you tap on delete down here, that's all. Yeah, look at this video, Look at this video. This is amazing. Okay, so stop waiting when you get a very good phone before you can start your content. Stop complaining about your camera low quality. Okay, you can do this. Technology has made everything so easy. You can do this. Okay, so go and use this trick. Come back here and tell me if you like it and if it's working for you. Okay, another video I'm going to do is how to react on a video. We call it video reaction. Okay, if you love me to do that video, just drop in the comment section, tell me how do video and how to react on a video so that you can repost, because a lot of people have been using this reaction video to cash out on the internet. Yes, when you go to their pages, this what you're gonna see is other people video they are reacted on it. So guys, go and try this trick. If it work for you, come back here and say yes, it's worked for you. And guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it for others to learn. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it.